All right, we have here a property that we have selected, 2733 Plover Street, Sacramento, California. It doesn't matter which one. On the left in Total View Real Estate, they will give you this estimate, even the range. In this particular case, where they show the change to be down $30,000 in 30 days, that's scary. That's not what we're looking for. Our estimate there from Total View is $210,206. But what is neat about Total View Real Estate is they give you underneath the map, which doesn't always come up for some reason, comparables. What you have to do, watch carefully, scroll all the way down to the bottom, scroll all the way to the right, and click on map, and then hold your mouse down with your left finger and scroll all the way to the left and then all the way up to where it says address, where all the headers are: address, price, sold, square feet, Just do a Control C to copy all of this data. Now open up a blank Excel spreadsheet and do that here in a second. And you can save the data there, and it actually recognizes all the columns and all the lines. So in line 1, you have all your headers. Line 2 is Sampson Boulevard. Line 3 is Kathleen Avenue. And later in another video, I will show you how to sort this stuff out by square feet. And then, in fact, I'll do it right now. All right, so what I'm going to do is just click here, right here on that. Doesn't matter where I click. And I'm going to sort and filter. I'm going to do a custom sort. I'm going to sort on column E, which is price per square. I'll do square feet instead of price per square feet. Square feet. Let's select on square feet, smallest to largest, boom. And so now we have the lowest number of square feet to the highest number of square feet. You have to be within about 100 square feet plus or minus each way for it to be relevant what the price per square foot is in relation to the other properties. This will help you with your comps so that you come up with those comps that are actually the same size as the comp that the property that you're looking at. But I'll save this as comps. I'll go to the desktop. I'll just put this on the desktop for this right now, and I'll call it comps 1. Call it whatever you want, but save it. Now I have it, and I will end the video.